I'm going to show you how you can see the recently viewed homes on Airbnb in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like it for more. So the process is the same on the PC or the phone application. So you can do this from the website or the application as well. And all you need to do is, let's say right now I'm watching apartments in Thailand. So I can, for example, watch this one. And then if I lose it or I want to remember that apartment some other day, I can just go to my profile, then go to your wish list, and right here you will see a list of the most recently viewed apartments or homes, and it will be filtered or ordered by the most recent one. So as you can see, this is the most recent apartment. This is the one I saw earlier, and that's another one I viewed in the past. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.